What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the echo from Virtual Meter when working in OBS and Ableton. I know there's a lot of videos out there of people showing you how to work in OBS and how to work in Virtual Meter, but everybody's video is a little bit different. Some of them stick, some of them don't, some of them are easy to understand, some of them not so easy. I'm going to show you how I fix the echo in my Virtual Meter, and hopefully it helps somebody. But first, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It's a new channel. I got a whole lot of information to show you guys. And without further ado, let's go to the studio. Okay, so these are my settings. It seems like everybody does it a little bit different. Just what I'm running with here is I'm running with the Behringer, the Euphoria interface, and I got Ableton, OBS, and voice meter. So in OBS, what I did was I turned the desktop audio to the Realtek, which is what the computer reads. And then on the microphone, I did the same thing, right? Go to properties. It's on Realtek, again, what the computer reads. Then I turned the mic all the way down, okay? Because I'm using the Shure mics and I got this CE mic. These are my studio microphones, and this is what I wanted to run with. So I turned the webcam mic all the way down just so that it would still read everything that's going into my Behringer interface. All right, and this is what it sounds like with the beat. And so you can still hear me talking on the microphone. There's no more delay. I finally got rid of the delay, so I'm happy about that. So real quick, let me just show you some of the settings that I have here. For my microphone, I have it set at the Behringer so that it picks up the microphone there. For my hardware outs, I have one set up as the Behringer, and then the other one is set out to the Realtek. That way, voice meter is communicating with both the Behringer and the computer. So I hope you learned something. If you did, let me know. Make sure you hit like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you have a different way of doing it, if you have a better way of doing it, hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Let everybody else know. And thanks, y'all. This is Primitive.